Hey there, my name is Morgan Price, and today I'm going to show you how to number sprinklers on an irrigation map and how to input that information into a Google spreadsheet. So we're going to start off by looking at this irrigation map. So up here at the top we have hole number 1, and the green is just right here. So starting off using our rules, which I'll show you just in a bit when we get to the spreadsheet. For the green, when it comes to reading irrigation heads, we start at the bottom left of the green, so that'd be just right here, and then work our way around clockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's hole 1, so 1, and then green, G, and then head 1 on the green. So that's 1G1, 1G2, 1G3, 1G4, and 1G5. So now how to input that into a spreadsheet, I'll just show you here. Okay, so let's get rid of this quickly. Okay, so we have hole number right here, that's the first thing we input. So hole number 1, and that's the same all the way down. So we can just drag that down. We need 5 parts of this filled out because we have 5 heads around the green. So area type, that's G1, so green head number 1. G2, green head number 2. Work our way around, keep it numerical. Drag that down. There we go. And then for rotor model, you can see just on the side here, we have our area, green, sprinkler. So that's Eagle 700 for the rotor model. Copy and paste that in there. Try to copy and paste it in all of them because they're all the same. GPM, so that's gallons per minute, the output. So there we go, 31.9 for the greens, as you can see over there. Just that in there. And now for the decoder type, we have FD601. You can see right there. So the 6 stands for a decoder that can control up to 6 heads. In this case, we have 5 heads. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw in FD601 and all of these. They're all the same. And then the address, so that's, again, that's just numerical order. Let's throw that in there. There we go. Drag that down. There we go. So that's how you'd fill it out for the greens, guys. So things to keep in mind when you're reading the map. We have the rules just down here. So rules for numbering. For the green, when you read the heads or match them up with the specific numbers, you start bottom left and work your way clockwise, as I said. Same for the perimeter, same for the surrounds. The fairway, we're going from T to the green. And then we have our left side is odd, and then our right side is even. Then we're moving on to the tees, so back tee to the forward tee, or the black tees to the white tees in most circumstances. Then moving on to the rough, tee to green, and then left side is odd, and again right is even. And now just one more thing to look out for. Right here, as you can see, surrounds, fairways, tees, and roughs. Sometimes there can be a single head running off of one decoder, but there can also be times where there's 2 heads running off of one decoder. So when there's 2 heads running off of a decoder, for example, right here as I highlighted, the fairway, so I think that's F5, yep, odd on the left, so F5, you can see there's 2 connected. That's one decoder. So if we were to input that, say if I was to put that in here, 1, it's F5, and then fairway, Eagle 900, yep, 31.9, So that's for the greens. F5 fairway is 37.1. Throw that in there. And then decoder type. So in this case, we have a pair. So we know a pair is 2. So that means we're going to pick the FD202. So the 2 at the start of the 202 represents 2, or the pairs, 2 heads. And then the FD102, same thing, just represents 1 instead. So I'll just throw that in there. FD202. And then, yeah, we'll leave the address for later. It's not in order, but yeah. So that's how you'd set it up. Just make sure, guys, you keep an eye on the decoder type for pairs and single heads, and follow the rules when numbering, and everything should stay in order. And yeah, good luck. Hope this video helped, and yeah, enjoy your day.